Good morning, YouTube. I know it's been a while. It's early on a Thursday morning, and I'm recording this. Sitting here at my kitchen counter. We got a little Mac 2 haul. I picked these up yesterday. This is the only knife they had. I wanted a straight edge, and I think they had a longer one. I wanted it, but this is the only one they had, and it is a 2.6 inch serrated edge. There you go, you can read about it. No telling where it's made at. Made in China. Whoa, 2018. This was like 50 something, I believe. I needed a new box cutter because I go through these a lot. My last one was a Harbor Freight one, dual, and that thing was, it rattled a lot. Then I bought the Gordon one from Harbor Freight. It was good. I've had Tack Life, a few other ones, but I use these every day a lot. I should have part number on the knife. They got 3 different colors, green, red, and orange, which I wanted a red one, but I think they got a big one. I wanted a bigger one with a straight edge, but it'll work for now. And the box cutter, did your part number. It comes with 10 blades. I think it was 40 something, I believe. There you go, you can read about it. Probably made in China. Yep, made in China. And I've been wanting these for a while. The R.B.R.T. Allan pack. I really was on the set of bits they got, but the big set's like $300, and I didn't want to spend that much. I wanted to get something smaller to see if they actually work. But let me get these open, and I'll be right back. All right, we'll go ahead and take a look at the R.B.R.T. Here's your part number. This is a metric. Size is 1.5 through 10 millimeter. This was 80 something, I believe. It just clips open. Of course, you know these are to help to get strip screws and bolts out. But I plan to use these all the time. Not just for strip bolts, screws, bolts, whatever. I plan to use them. I'm gonna get, if they work, I'm gonna replace them with my regular set. And the box cutter, this is what it's wrapped up in a box. That's your blades. Rusty blades. Then like a little lockjaw. And this is wrapped in bubble wrap. That's probably what instruction or something. Yeah. I like that clip on it. It's a push button to unlock it, supposedly. A little plastic on it. It's a box cutter. Hopefully it ain't as loose as that Doyle one. Supposed to be a quick button blade change. It's stiff. It ain't gonna swing out. And there's your button to release the blade right there. I like it. I don't know if I think the door may have felt more comfortable in my hand, and I think the door is bigger too, I believe. All right, and the knife. What is this? Instructions on how to operate a knife. Some warnings. Excuse me for a minute. A little cherry Pepsi. I don't drink coffee. I like coffee. I ain't got nothing against it. If it's there, I'll drink it, but I'm just not gonna make it. This thing is light. Extremely sharp. Read instructions. Yeah, I wish they had a bigger one in stock. But I mean, it'll work. It's light, I tell you. It's definitely light. Mac tools. Got the little flip open. It ain't stiff, it's loose. Wish I had one of them devices that can measure the sharpness. Branded on the clip. Oh, look at that. It's like a little wrench. Close it. That's harder than this one-handed. Well, especially since I'm not using my left hand, because I'm left-handed. And I'm going the wrong way. All right. Oh no, what is that for? Like a boat head? What my instructions at? Let's see what we got. I guess I do need them after all. Let's see. Warning. Knife care. Do not run with knife. That's probably on our damn box. That'd be quicker. 2.6-inch combination edge every day. Ball bearing, D2 blade. And it's not. What y'all think? 10 millimeter? Yeah, that is it ain't stiff at all. I like that. Oh, I get the hang of that. The camera battery went low, or my phone battery. But sorry, this is short. Another short, boring video, but that's what I picked up from Mac Tools. Until next time.